O&I reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Gladly Family Merritt Playard. So I was gifted this item, as you can see, I am expecting, and I needed multiple places in our home to be able to put our new little one down and be able to attend to my two older children. So I have a couple of different places set up in the home to easily be able to safely place her down and be able to help them take care of their needs. So I'm super excited about this because I know that it's going to grow with us. Yes, I have it all set up for a newborn right now, but I can easily pop the changing pad off, pop the sides off, take this top level off, and be able to put her down lower once it's needed. She's not going to need that for a while. So today I'm just going to kind of walk you through the different aspects of the Gladly Family Merritt Playard. So as soon as you open the box, you get this cute little instruction manual that details out exactly how to use it. So super simple. As you open it, it has step-by-step. It tells you the parts list. It has how to assemble it from being wrapped up to fully open, and as you see it right now. So the first piece I will get into is actually not even on here. It's the carrying bag that it comes in. So I thought that this was super cool and unique because it's actually a backpack. So you would just put it in, unzip it, you'd be able to fold it up, place it in, but then you have these straps so you can easily place it onto your back to carry it around. So if you have a ton of luggage, you're trying to get out the door, and this is something that you can literally throw on your back and go. So I thought that backpack part of it was really cool because I hadn't seen something like that before. So now getting into kind of the details of it in the newborn space. So it has this really great changing table area that is easily able to be wiped down and easily removable. Something else that it has on this side is some nice storage. That's something that's huge because you need a lot of storage to be able to hold diapers and wipes. If you need extras, I have an extra changing pad here. There's a nice little area here. I can keep everything that we need, all the extras, because this is on the first level of our house. So instead of having to run up and grab a bunch of extra things, I can just put it in this little carrying basket, this little storage basket, and it makes it super easy to have access to everything right here as I need it. So I can change her, put her right down to sleep, and be able to leave and go help my other two boys. So this is because it's so easy to take on and off. In the very beginning of the video, I had it on the other side. So if you're not using it in a changing mat, then it doesn't really matter. But if you are using the changing mat and you want to have everything right here close to you, then you can switch sides, just so you have all the diapers and wipes and things right there. But if your child is older and you're not using this you're not using the changing pad, then it really doesn't matter. This basket can go on either side. So it's very flexible, it's very easy to use. With all of the kind of extras removed. So as you can see, the changing pad is now on this side. It just has these clips on either side. So two on the top and the bottom and one on the very side to attach it. So that just popped right off. The storage basket popped right off. So now this is, if you were traveling, you probably, depending on how far you were going, you may not want to bring the extras with you. So this is kind of just the basis of what it would look like if you were using this for a child that is not yet pushing themselves up or sitting. You really want to make sure for safety reasons that once they are doing those things, you are lowering it all the way to the bottom just so they can't peek their little heads over and get into some dangerous situations. So this is the play mat. This is the play yard with the mat at the upper level. And again, it is super easy to use. So if, now my little one is pushing up on her hands and she's able to sit up. So I need to now lower it. So all I would do is take out the mat. Remove this top level. There are hooks, lots of hooks, which I love, even though it is very securely placed on. So I just remove all these hooks. Hooks, hooks, hooks. There's about 3 on the side. Remove these. Then that makes this putting this upper level on so much easier is that it has these hooks. So before you put the corners on, you're going to go around and you're going to put all the hooks on. So there are 4 hooks on the 2 long sides and 2 hooks on the short side. So make sure that you go around, you put all the hooks on first, then you take that fabric and you pull it over the corners. Just a little bit because it makes it so much easier to get this on nice and snug. I just put the pad all the way at the bottom and it's ready to go. Now she's ready to sleep at the very bottom. If she's pulling standing up, sitting, I don't have to worry about her being able to get over the edge because she's all the way at the bottom. So super, super easy. So the day comes, now you're traveling. How do I pack it up? So all you would do is take this pad out again. There are these hooks on the, there is a loop, I'm not sure you can see it, right in the middle. All you do is pull that up. The side automatically, I didn't have to put any buttons, the side automatically dropped. And I just pull it in. Then I grab this. I'm not going to fully do it, but you just wrap it around, Velcro it in, and then you'd be able to put it in the carrying case. So super easy. Even me, 36 weeks, I can easily pick this up. So it's very easy, very portable. I love it. And then once we get there, I remove the pad to set it up. All I do is pull it out, push the button down until you hear it snap. That's it. It's up. Put the mat in. And we're ready to go. If I can get the mat in. There we go. We put the mat in and we're ready to go. So I hope this is a useful demonstration of how to use the Gladly Family Merritt Playard. If you're interested, I'm going to pop the link in the notes just so you know how to grab one yourself. And you can use the code that is in there as well for a little discount. Thank you so much for joining me.